Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Abdul Majid Shoaib, Vice President Jamaat Islami Hind Telangana and Convener Political Committee. Jamaat Islami Hind Telangana's chapter has expressed its support for the upcoming state assembly elections, emphasizing a commitment to value-based politics. Following extensive discussions across the state involving local units, Jamaat members and workers engage in deliberations about candidates in their respective constituencies. After thorough local consultations and debates, the local units submitted their preferences for voting in the election. Subsequently, the political committee of Jamaat Islami Hind Telangana reviewed these opinions, formulated their recommendations and submitted them to the central leadership of Jamaat Islami Hind for approval. The announcement was made after receiving the nod from the central leadership. It is noteworthy that Jamaat Islami Hind Telangana chapter is not aligning itself with any specific political party in these elections. Once again, I like to repeat, Jamaat Islami Hind Telangana chapter is not aligning itself with any specific political party in these elections. Instead, the organization extends its support to individual candidates based on recommendations from the local units. The list of endorsed candidates is attached and it will be provided to you. Briefly, I will like to tell you that in the past United Districts of Telangana, in Adilabad, there were total 10 seats, out of which we have extended our support to Congress candidates in 5 seats and BRS candidates in 4 seats, and 1 seat is to BSP, that is RS Praveen Kumar sir. In Nizamabad, erstwhile Nizamabad district, there were out of 9 total seats, we extended our support to 3 Congress candidates and 6 BRS candidates. Similarly, in Karimnagar, out of 13 seats, we have extended 8 Congress candidates, support to 8 Congress candidates and to 5 BRS candidates. In Medak, 3 Congress candidates and 7 BRS candidates has been supported by Jamaat Islami Telangana. In Mahbub Nagar, that is United erstwhile Mahbub Nagar district, out of 14 seats, we have supported Congress in 9 seats and in 4 seats we have supported BRS. In Nalgonda district, 11 seats of Congress candidates, 11 Congress candidates has been supported and 1 BRS candidate. In Warangal, 9 Congress candidate and 3 BRS candidate. In Rangareddy, 7 Congress candidates and 7 BRS candidates has been supported by Jamaat Islami Telangana. In Hyderabad, we have extended support to 3 Congress candidate and 5 BRS candidate, while we have supported the 7 Majlis candidates in Hyderabad area. In Khammam district, we have extended support to 9 Congress candidates and 1 CPI candidate. So out of 119 total seats, we have extended support to 67 Congress candidates and 42 BRS candidates, 1 from BSP, 1 from CPI and 7 Majlis-e-Ittihad al-Muslimin. Thank you.